How to change your password on Spotify. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser, or you can use any browser you have. At the search bar, type in open.spotify.com. Now tap search. Go to this login to Spotify option. Now here enter your username or email and your password. Once you have logged into your account, go to settings icon on your top right. Here go to view account option. Here expand this option and you will see change password option. Tap that. Now enter your current password, enter your new password, and again repeat that new password at the bottom option. Tap on set new password. And now your new password has been updated. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.